bringing the first load of the day. We're here at the Worthington Diamond Recovery Plant. We feed the ore into this hopper and it goes into the large trommel. As we dump the fairly dry ore in there, there's a pump pumping water up in there to mix with it, so that in the trommel we have a mixture of water and soil. You can see it washing it down in there now. Then it rolls around in this trommel, and the large material goes out the end, the oversized, but everything that falls through that rotating stream there goes down this chute and into the lower trommel, where it mixes around some more and breaks down and separates according to size, and there's spray bars in there, and sends it to jigs on the other side. And we have a return water pond, and this is our supply water pond. We pump water that we use back up there to the supply water. And everything's running great right now. I need to get down and check and make sure we don't have any problems.